Hello everybody, and thank you so much for watching. Today we will make this large doily with a center motif and a 4-round pattern repeat. With the pattern repeat you can make the doily as large as you want. Mine is 30 inches wide. We will also add a 2-round border that you can add after any round. I used pink, blue and white medium-sized worsted 3-ply acrylic yarn. For this size doily, you won't need more than 1 skein of each color. I used a 5mm or H8 hook. Start with a magic ring. Place the yarn in your open hand and wrap it around your 2 fingers like an X. Then go into the back of the loop and pull the yarn through. Then you can wrap the working yarn around your finger and hold the 2 other pieces of yarn and pull tight. Make a chain and start round 1. Let's make a chainless double. Pull a long loop as long as a double crochet and hold the loop with your thumb. Move your hook from 9 to 6 o'clock and from the front to the back to create the yarn over for the double and still hold with your thumb. Go into the ring from the front to the back. Pull the working yarn through, then pull through the loop and the yarn over, and now you can let your thumb go and pull through 2 loops. You have the chainless double crochet. Then make 11 more double crochet into the ring. So altogether with the chainless double we have 12 double crochet, and you can pull a little tight so it's easier to crochet into the ring. I've made 12 double crochet into the ring and I pulled tight. Let's make an invisible join. Take your hook out of the loop. As you can see, the chainless double has the same V-stitch as the regular double. Go over the working yarn with your hook and then from the back to the front, go through that V-stitch. Then grab your loop, put it on the hook and pull it through that V-stitch. And start round 2. Let's make a chainless double crochet again. Pull a long loop as long as a double, maybe a little longer. Put your thumb, rotate around to create the yarn over for the double into the same stitch where the loop is coming out of this one. Go from the front to the back and pull the working yarn through that stitch. Then pull through the loop and the yarn over and through 2 loops. This stitch will replace our treble crochet. Yarn over twice, make a treble crochet into the same stitch. Pull through 2, through 2 and through 2. That counts as 2 trebles together. Chain 2, make 2 trebles together in all the stitches. Yarn over twice, go into the next stitch. Pull the loop through 2, through 2, leave 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over twice, go into the same stitch, pull through 2, through 2 and then through 3 loops. Chain 2, go into the next stitch and treble crochet 2 together. Yarn over twice, pull through 2, 2, leave 2 loops. Yarn over twice, go into the same stitch, pull through 2, 2 and 3. Chain 2. Then make 12 groups of these 2 trebles together in all of the stitches with chain 2s in between. At the end of round 2, make 2 chains. And I cut my yarn because I will change color now. To finish, take your hook back out of the loop and make the invisible join. Go over the working yarn through that chainless double, through that stitch, and pull the loop from the front to the back. Grab your yarn, pull a little tight, and then I like to pull through 1 more time to make a secure join. And I pull down. And that's the invisible join. Now we will change colors in round 3. I have my new color and I hold my work together with the color with the new yarn so I have tension. Wrap around the hook 1 time and then give it a twist counterclockwise so you have a twist, And now make a regular treble crochet, yarn over twice, go in any of the chain spaces and make a treble crochet, pull through 2 and still hold the yarn with your finger, pull through 2 and through 2, and now you can tighten it a little bit and let the yarn go. Then make 2 more trebles into the same chain space, 1 and 2, chain 1, go to the next chain space and make 3 trebles, yarn over twice, 1, 2 and 3, go to the next chain space, chain 1, go to the next chain space and make 3 trebles, 1, 2 and 3, chain 1, go to the next chain space and make 3 trebles. So we have 12 groups of 3 trebles with chain 1s in between. I chained 1, cut my yarn, and now I will make an invisible join into the standalone treble crochet and change color again. Start round 4. I changed my yarn to blue, make another standalone treble, wrap the yarn around your hook and give it a twist. Now we make triangles, yarn over twice, go into any of the chain spaces and make a treble crochet. Then chain 2 and make a treble crochet into the same chain space, and that's our first triangle. In between triangles we will always chain 2. Go to the next chain space, make the second triangle, yarn over twice, make the treble crochet, chain 2 and a treble crochet into the second chain space for the second triangle, chain 2, go to the next chain space and repeat a triangle, a treble, 2 chains, a treble, and make 2 chains between the 2 triangles. I finished the round with 2 chains. I cut my yarn and now I make an invisible join in the standalone treble and start a new color and round 5. Make a standalone treble crochet, wrap around, twist, yarn over twice in any of the triangles. You can start anywhere you want and make the treble crochet. Then into the same triangle, into the same chain space of 2, make another treble crochet and a third treble crochet into the triangle, so 3 trebles. Chain 1, then go to the square, the next chain space, and make 2 trebles into that. 1, 2, chain 1, go into the triangle and make 3 trebles. 1, 2 and 3. Chain 1, go to the square and make 2 trebles into the square. Chain 1, go to the triangle and make 3 trebles. 3 trebles into the triangle, chain 1, 2 trebles into the square, chain 1, and make that pattern all the way around. I finished round 5 with 2 trebles into the square, a chain, an invisible join into the standalone treble crochet, and I sew my loose ends in as I go along and start round 6 with a new color, the blue color. Make a standalone double in any of the chain spaces. Wrap the yarn around, give it a twist, and then only 1 yarn over for the double, so it's easier than the treble, and then in any of the chain spaces make the double crochet. Then chain 3. Go to the next chain space and make a double crochet. Chain 3. Go to the next chain space, make a double crochet, and so on. Chain 3 and make a double crochet into all of the chain spaces. Finish round 6 with a chain of 3 and make a slip stitch directly into the chain space. And start round 7. Start round 7 with a chainless double, pull long, wrap around, go into the chain space, pull the yarn through, pull through the loop and the yarn over and through the 2 loops. Then make 3 more doubles into the chain space, 1, 2, and 3. So we make 4 doubles into every chain space. Go to the next chain space and make 4 doubles. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Make 4 double crochet into every chain space. I cut my yarn and I will change color, and I make an invisible join into the double the same way. Pull the loop from the front to the back, pull through one more time to secure, and start round 8. Go in between any of the groups of 4 double crochet and make a standalone single. Wrap the yarn around the hook, give it a twist, and make a single crochet between any of the groups of 4 doubles. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip 4 and then go in between the next group of 4 doubles, make a single and 4 chains. Skip 4, go in between the next 2 groups, make a single, chain 4, and so on. Finish round 8 with 4 chains and then make an invisible join into the V-stitch of the single, the same way we do with the double and the treble, and start round 9. Make a standalone double in any of the chain spaces. Then make 2 more doubles into the same chain space. 1 and 2, so we have 3 doubles in the chain space. Chain 3, go to the next chain space, make 3 doubles. 1, 2, and 3. And 3 chains. Go to the next chain space. In all the chain spaces, make 3 double crochet and 3 chains. Finish round 9 with 3 chains and an invisible join into the double crochet. And now I use the white yarn for the first time and start round 10. Make a standalone single crochet in any of the first double crochet. Go into the first of any of the 3 doubles and make a single crochet. Then make the second single into the second double and the third single into the third double. Go into the chain space and make 3 singles into the chain space. 1, 2, and 3. Then make 3 singles into the 3 doubles. 1, 2, and 3. And then make 3 singles into the chain space. 1, 2, and 3. Make 3 singles into the doubles and 3 singles into the chain spaces. I made my invisible join into the standalone single and start round 11. I changed my color to pink. We made 144 singles. Now we will make 144 doubles. Make a standalone double in any of the singles but into the back loop. Here's the front loop. Go into the back loop of the single crochet and make the double crochet. Then make a double crochet into the next back loop of the next single crochet. Make the doubles in all of the back loop of the single crochets. So we will have 144 doubles in the end. When you are at your invisible join, also make sure you crochet into the back loop so you get the line. I finished round 11 with the invisible join and started round 12 with my white color. Make a standalone single into any of the double and make a regular single through both loops, and then make a single crochet into all of the doubles, so 144 single crochet. Go into all the doubles and make a single crochet. Finish round 12 with an invisible join and start round 13 with the blue yarn. Make a standalone double above the first of any groups of 3 doubles. Go down to your last group. It could be any of the groups, but it must be the first double. Follow it up. Go into your single crochet, then your double, and then your single above that double into that back loop. Make a standalone double into the same back loop. Make the second double, that's our increase. Then into the second back loop, make the third double. and into the third back loop make the fourth double. Now we made our increase. We had 3, now we have 4 doubles. Chain 3, then skip 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3 into the fourth one. Repeat, make the double crochet into the back loop, and into the same back loop make the second double, then the third double next to it, and then the fourth double into the next back loop. Chain 3, skip 3 stitches into the fourth stitch, make 2 double crochets, 1 and the second one into the same back loop. Make the third double crochet into the next back loop, make the fourth double crochet into the next back loop, chain 3 and skip 3 stitches. And then double up in the first one, make a double in the second, a double in the third, chain 3, skip 3 stitches. And as you can see, we will repeat this pattern now until our doily is big enough. We will always double up in the first stitch to increase our circle. I finished round 13 with a chain of 3 and an invisible join into the double, and started round 14 with the white yarn and a standalone single crochet. Round 14 is the same as round 10. We make single crochets in all the doubles, so make 4 single crochets into the 4 doubles, and into the chain space make 3 single crochet, 4 single crochet into the doubles and regular single crochets, 4 singles in the doubles, 4 singles into the chain space. Now we have 168 stitches. Finish round 14 with an invisible join and start round 15. Round 15 is the same round as round 11 with the pink yarn. Make a standalone double and make doubles into all the back loops of all the single crochet, and we will have 168 double crochet. Finish round 15 with an invisible join into the double crochet and start round 16 with a standalone single crochet in the white yarn. Make 168 single crochet. This is the same round as round 12 and our last of 4 rounds of the pattern repeat. Finish round 16 with an invisible join and start round 17. Go to your previous round. So in the first round we made 3 doubles, then 4. Now we have to make 5 doubles. Look at your previous double and work your way up. Here's the single, the double, the single, into that single, into the back loop. Make the 2 doubles. Start with a standalone double and make another one into the same stitch into the back loop only. We need 5 stitches, so make 3 more to get the 5 stitches. Make 3 chains, skip 3 stitches, and then start 5 stitches again into the back loop. And make the 2 doubles in the first stitch and then 3 more doubles. 3 chains, skip 3 and start your 5 doubles again. You should have 192 stitches, doubles plus chains. Finish round 17 with a chain of 3 and invisible join and start round 18 with a standalone single. Make 5 singles into the 5 doubles and 3 singles into the chain spaces with the white yarn. Finish the 192 singles with an invisible join into the last single and start round 19 with the pink yarn and a standalone double in the back loop. Make 192 doubles into all back loops. Finish the 192 doubles with an invisible join into the last double and start round 20 with the white yarn and a standalone single. Make 192 regular singles. In round 21, make 6 double crochet the same way. Go up from your previous double, double up in the first stitch, then make your 3 rounds. Then make the 7 doubles, 8, 9, and 10. I stopped at 10 doubles in round 37, but you can make as many rounds as you want. I have 312 stitches now. Every blue increase round has 24 more stitches. I made 1 more round with white single crochets, and then I added a 2 round border. You can stop at any round and add the 2 round border. It doesn't matter in which round you stop. Let's make the 2 round border. Start the border anywhere you want with a standalone double. If you choose the single crochet round, Go through both loops. Make the standalone double 2 chains and a double crochet into the same stitch. Skip 2 stitches and then repeat. Make a double crochet, 2 chains and a double into the same stitch. Skip 2 stitches and repeat. Double crochet, chain 2 and a double crochet into the same stitch. Repeat those 3 stitches all the way around. I finished the round with an invisible join into the double crochet and start the last round with the pink color. Make a standalone double into any of the triangles. Then make 6 more doubles into the same triangle. So altogether 7 doubles. Go to the next triangle, make a single crochet. Go to the next triangle, make 7 doubles. Go to the next triangle, make a single crochet, and so on. Make 7 doubles in a triangle, and into the next triangle make a single, then 7 doubles into the next triangle. Finish the round with a single crochet into the triangle and an invisible join into the standalone double. The doily is complete. I hope you had fun, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.